Are you deciding between Mold Busters Montreal and Renov for mold removal and inspection in Montreal? Let's make a comparison. Mold Busters is available 24/7, providing several services, from virtual and mold inspections to air quality testing, asbestos testing, and removal, not to mention rebuilding. Renov, operating Monday to Friday, focuses on specialized services like mold removal, asbestos testing and removal, and insulation services. Both companies are IICRC certified, licensed, and insured, but only Mold Busters is BBB accredited. Customer satisfaction is high for both, with Mold Busters rated at 4.6 by 150 clients, and Renov at 4.9 by 77 clients. Mold Busters takes convenience to the next level with online booking, free virtual assessments, inspector tracking, and same-day virtual inspections. Renov offers free inspections but lacks remote and online scheduling options. Both companies provide detailed reports and exceptional customer support. Plus, they offer price match guarantees. However, Mold Busters also presents financing and discount options, making it an attractive choice for those on a budget. So, weigh your options and select the perfect mold removal and inspection partner for your needs. To see the complete comparison, click the link in the description box.